Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Arrange a contiguous range with one header row and no blank columns. Put labels in the first column and numbers in adjacent columns. Use clean numbers like 100, 3, 5, or 25% and consistent formats. Convert text numbers to numeric by using the value function or text to columns when needed. Remove subtotal rows and totals to keep source data raw. Save the workbook before charting to prevent accidental changes. Select the entire data range including headers before inserting a chart. Open the Insert tab, choose a chart type, or click Recommended Charts for suggestions. Use Ctrl+T to make a table first when you need dynamic ranges. Click the specific chart icon such as column, line, or pie to create the visual. Confirm the chart references the correct cells shown in the Chart Design ribbon. Move the chart to a separate sheet if you require more space. Add axis titles, data labels, and a clear legend directly from chart elements. Format sizes using chart area settings, for example width 6 inches and height 4 inches. Apply consistent colors, font 11, and save as a template for reuse. Adjust axis scales and number formats to display percentages or currency as needed. Right-click series to change chart type or add trend lines for analysis. Export the chart as an image or keep it linked to the workbook for updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.